What makes a pop-up drink stand look professional? A professional pop-up drink stand comes down to clean signage, a consistent color scheme, tidy workspace, and a menu that is easy to read from a few steps away. Think about the last time you walked past a stand and instantly trusted it looked legit versus one that felt thrown together. The difference almost always comes down to repetition. When your cups, your apron, your sign, and even your tip jar all use the same 2 or 3 colors, your brain reads that as a real brand instead of a garage sale table. Here is something a lot of people do not think about. The height of your menu board matters more than the design of it. If people have to bend down or squint to read prices, they hesitate, and hesitation kills impulse sales. Keep your main menu at eye level for someone standing about 3 feet away. Another small thing that makes a huge difference is having a visible trash bin right at the stand. It sounds tiny, but it quietly tells customers you care about cleanliness without you saying a word. One common mistake is overcrowding the counter with every flavor and syrup bottle you own. It looks busy instead of professional, so keep only what you are actively using within reach and store the rest out of sight. Another mistake is inconsistent pricing, like rounding some drinks to whole dollars and others to odd cents. Stick to clean, simple pricing across the board so customers do not have to think twice. Lastly, many stands forget lighting for evening hours, which makes everything look dull once the sun goes down. A single strand of warm white string lights can completely change how put together your setup feels at night. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.